Hi everybody, this video is going to show you how to get more visitors to your website so that you can generate more sales. Have you been wanting more visitors and traffic to your website? Have you been running ads on places like Instagram and Facebook and AdWords and you're not seeing the results that you want to get? Well, you're not alone. This is happening to a lot of people out there, and what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you a trick on how you can get more traffic. And this trick works regularly for myself, and it doesn't cost you a dime to use this technique. The method that I'm going to tell you about is working with bloggers. So before you click the back button, I know that this trick may seem a little bit old, but it still works, and I think you should follow it and give it a try. And let me show you how. So what you do is when you create a blog post, what you're going to do is you're going to link out to other people. This is going to help you look as if you've got credibility and authority on the topic that you're blogging about. People are going to look to you for answering their questions. And then once you link to somebody else's blog or website, what you want to do is you want to send them a nice letter, and you want to say something to the effect of like, hey, I really enjoyed your blog or your website. I just created a blog post myself on my website, and I mentioned you in it because I feel that what you have to offer would be a real benefit to my readers. And then at the end of that, you want to also mention and say, hey, after reading my blog or post, if you feel that my message would really do well with your readers, could you please tout it? This would really make my year. And then you want to link over to your website. Now you want to make sure that any blog post that you do is going to be valuable to people. Otherwise, no one's going to want to link back to you. So the great thing about it is that when I do this, I reference a few blog posts, a few other bloggers, and I do this every week, and it brings in a steady stream of traffic to me. Now keep in mind, doing tricks like this regularly will help bring in more money and start to create a revenue machine for you. And if you don't have time to write blogs, great blogs, there are services out there that can help you. So what you can do is I use a service called Tisseo, Tisseo.com. They'll create a blog post for me, and they send it to me, and then all I do is copy and paste it into my blog. And if you need a new domain name for your website, or you need WordPress hosting to get up and running, I recommend going to SaveBigDomains.com. They offer all the products and services you use, but for less. And .coms are only $8.99. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.